So we basically just completed our first season of Christmas lighting. We still have a few takedowns to do. However, I wanted to make this quick video to kind of just give a wrap up of how our first season went and what you could kind of expect if you're looking to get into this next season. First thing I gotta say is there's no service like this. It's absolutely insane how much demand there is come, post Halloween and Thanksgiving time when everyone starts thinking about Christmas. Your phone will start going crazy. And I didn't really believe it until I actually saw it. However, everyone that I talked to as we were starting this business was like, it was insane our first season and no different for us. So our goal was $50,000, but we missed it by a little. So stay till the end and I'll tell you how much we actually did in total revenue. But first things first, we were not expecting that kind of volume. That's going to be your main surprise probably if you're doing your marketing right. And I'm going to be talking about what we did to market. And basically, it just came down to yard signs, a little bit of Facebook ads, Google ads. That's pretty much it. But yard signs, you can get away with just putting out 30 to 50 yard signs, and you will make over $20,000, almost guaranteed if your pricing is kind of on point. That was one of our biggest issues. Is that when we first started quoting jobs, we were getting real greedy, and we thought that just because we're in a lucrative or an affluent area, that we could charge $12, $13 a foot. When that wasn't really the case, people were definitely a little pissed about the pricing, but that's just what you're gonna get in general when you're quoting Christmas lighting, because people don't understand most people don't understand how much this really costs. That was one of our issues why we didn't hit that $50,000 goal, is because we missed out on a lot of jobs that we could have probably gotten if they were just slightly priced better. But it's a learning lesson. We still did pretty good, and I'll disclose how much we did at the end. Overcharging, and our second biggest issue was inventory. We ran out of inventory because we provide the lights. We do everything from install, maintenance, takedown, storage. And I'd recommend you do all that because that's where the money is. You also have to keep in track of your inventory real well, because when those leads come in and you're starting to get a ton of jobs, you want to make sure you have the lights to do those jobs, because people do not want to wait to have Christmas lights put up. They want to have them put up for as long as they can until Christmas, and once Christmas is over, they want them taken down immediately, almost. So you got to be on top of your inventory, that's for sure. So that was one of the biggest issues we ran into. But besides that, we didn't really have any other big issues. One of the things that's really nice about this business is that second year, your margins are going to go up by a lot, or at least they should, because you're already going to have the lights fitted to the person's house or your customer's house. You're not going to have the marketing costs associated with getting that customer, and now you just have these people on reoccurring services. You can offer a discount second year as an incentive. We're going to be offering 10%. I know some people don't do that, but I just felt the need to incentivize our customers a little bit, and we'll see how that goes, and I'll let you know. But you can do whatever you want. It's up to you. But there is so much opportunity in this business. The service is crazy, and I really did not believe it until I saw it myself. If you're looking to get started, if you want to make money, I know it seems scammy, and you hear this all the time, but this is one of those businesses where you're in and you're out real quick. You literally have a 2-month window to make as much money as you possibly can, and then after that, you can do whatever you want. It really is insane, and it's the perfect business service to supplement your income if you do have a pressure washing business or any kind of seasonal business where you can't really work in the winter. So with all that being said, though, I'm going to disclose how much we actually made. Our revenue came out to just over $38,000 in revenue, with our average job ticket being $1,500, and we did 25 jobs. That's our season wrap up for season number 1. We did miss our $50,000 goal, but I'm not going to be too hard on myself because I know why we didn't hit that, and we still did pretty well. So I'll take that, and next year I think we could hit 100K if we really get our systems down, and depending on also how many of our customers are come back. So I hope this gave you some good insight on our first year installing Christmas lights. If you're looking to get started, definitely reach out to me on Twitter. I'm always active there, and I'm always happy to help. And also, please like this video and consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it a lot, and I will see you in the next one.